A round of applause for our brownie kites, our chickens, and our moving pigeons. Here in the ocean park, we believe that there's food. We only not try to take care of friends in the sea, but also eat them in air as well. Now guys, who knows the three R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So once again, here's our lovely birds to show us the proper place disposal.
Pili ko na kape. Pili ko na kape. Pili ko na kape. Ayun, ito kape oh.
Easy, right? If the birds get good and so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, before we start our show, are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action to saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now I'd like to present to you the birds and the trainers who make this show possible. Trainer Regine with Body. Trainer Ron with Rocky. Trainer Mark with Sassy. Trainer Angel with Speed. Trainer Johnny with Shadow. Trainer Jamie and Trainer Albert with the Chickens. Trainer Sean and Trainer David with the moving pigeons. And once again, the Trainer Michelle, thank you and goodbye. By the way guys, please